I ended up tracking down the 15th anniversary DC Worlds uh, booster box. It's pretty cool. I have this, and there's a lot of cool figures in this, though. It is 8 years old, so there's not a lot in here that would be worth playing today. It's a really cool set. I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing, so yeah, let's go. All right. So the first box is open. Now, I know there's a bunch of strategies for these old boxes on how to open them up. There's a couple of really cool things that, I'm looking for. The chases all seemed pretty interesting. You can see on there a couple of them. I actually really want that basketball Superman. I think that'd be cool. But yeah, there's some interesting things in here. So without further ado, let's get started on the first box. All right, so some Wonder Woman to go with my invisible plane, and we got the Ray from Kingdom Come. That's really cool. That is a cool piece. Not one of the chases though. But yeah, I'll look into that a little bit more later on. Oh yeah, that's not a Batman that I wanted. Okay, this is very cool. That is pretty awesome. Nice. Oh, I am liking the look of these sculpts. Like that Batman is really cool. Same with the bat there. The Super Police. All right, yeah, there's definitely some fun pieces in here. All right, let's see what's in this one. By the way, this is our super rare that we've already gotten, and then the Ray was a rare. All right. I'm starting to understand why unboxers do what they do with that overhead one. Yeah, my baseball Superman. First double of the brick. Okay, we got a couple doubles now. Whoa, what is going on there? Interesting. Did we just get a triple? I think we might have. And yeah, we just got a triple of that Superman. And we got the Templar, which I actually wanted the Templar. Is that the same Batman as before? That was 50. This is also 50. So we got a couple doubles now. That was probably the worst pull so far of the set, but now it's the middle one. If I'm right, this one might just have the chase in it. Oh, our first flashes. No chase. Another flash. Okay, this is looking similar to the last pull. but we got the Please Superman there. So, all right. Oh, yeah. Another super rare with that Sinestro. All right. Ooh, another super rare. Oh, yeah. I like those guys. All right. So this is the last one of the entire brick. Let's see what we got. Wonder Woman. Oh. And the Super Cup and... Oh, okay. There's at least a new one in that. But none of the super rares, I don't think. So our pull this time was 3 super rares and a couple of rares. So there you go from this brick. That is the best pull there. But we still got a bunch of other figures that are going to be a lot of fun. And for that price, yeah, it was fun doing an unboxing. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.